Welcome again. Today I have taken another topic of your grammar, subject verb agreement. Now, what is subject verb agreement? Like, there is a agreement between subject and verb. What is the agreement? That verb must follow its subject in number and person. That means verb must follow. That means if the subject is singular, then the verb should be singular. That verb also be singular. And if the subject is plural, then the verb also be plural. This is called subject verb agreement. Okay. Subject singular, then verb be singular, and subject is plural, then verb should be also plural. Now, for the simple subject like he is a singular subject. So we write he has, he is, like singular subject, singular verb, singular subject, singular verb. Like we are, we have. So plural subject, plural verb, plural subject, plural verb. Now this is easy to write, but some of the subjects we get confused, like what to fill here, what will come here, singular or subject, plural. So that we will going to discuss here through the examples, through the exercise. So this exercise I have taken from one of the grammar book of mine. Like, what is the question here? Choose the correct verb that agrees with the subject in each of the following sentences. So we have to read a sentence and we have to first decide whether the subject is singular or plural. Then accordingly we will fill the verb. Like, one of the boys dash got hurt. So we have options has, have. Okay. Now one of the boys means among so many. Yes, from the boys we are talking about only one boy. One of the boys means one, only one. So if we are talking about one boy here, that means singular subject. So if the subject is singular, the verb should be singular. So what will come here? Has. Next sentence. Shelja as well as her mother dash gone to watch a movie. Now if the two subjects like Shelja, her mother, is connected with as well as, then the verb will come according to the first subject, Shelja. So Shelja is singular, so singular verb will come, like has. Options are has, have, so has will come. So if two singular subjects are connected with as well as, so the verb will come according to the first subject first. Now coming to the next one. The commander with all his soldiers. Now look at the subject. The commander, singular. All his soldiers, plural. Now same. Previous two singular subject joined with as well as. And now this one is joined with. In both the cases, we have to put the verb according to the first subject only. Like in the previous one, we have put according to Shelja. Now, here also we have to put the verb according to the commander, not with all his soldiers. Okay, this is singular and this is plural. So if singular subject and plural subject joined with, then you will put the verb according to the first subject. The first subject is singular, then the verb will be singular. So options are here. Was verb. So what will become here? Commander is singular and was is singular. So the answer will be was. The commander with all his soldiers was captured. Now next one. Either Babita or her sister dash representing the class. Now look, two singular subjects joined with either or. If it is like this, then we have to put the verb according to the near of the blank. Like her sister is singular, so singular verb will come. Options are is, are, so answer will be is. Either Babita or her sister is representing the class. Now coming to the next one. Both of them. Both of them means two. Plural subject. So plural subject takes plural verb. So options are has or have. So what will come? Have, because have is plural. Now coming to the next one. The poet and playwright dash been honored. Now when you look at the subject, you'll feel there are two person, poet and playwright. But this is not like that. The poet and playwright is only the one person. The poet and playwright. We are telling to one person only, playwright and poet. That means it is singular. If it was like the poet and the playwright, if it is like this, the poet and the playwright, that means there are two different person, playwright and poet. That means becomes plural. But here the poet and playwright means here there is no article. That means to a one person only we are saying poet and playwright. That means singular subject. So singular subject takes singular verb. So the answer will be has, because options are has, have. So the answer will be has. Options are given at the side. Now the next one, seventh one. The cat and all its young ones. Now, the cat and all its young ones. So two subjects, young ones, connected with and. So it will become a plural. Cat and young ones, plural. So we will put a verb here in plural form. The cat and all its young ones have moved to another shelter. Now coming to the next one. The love between the two brothers. Now try to understand the subject. Two brothers is plural, yes? But we are not talking about two brothers. We are talking about the bond between them, the love. So we are talking about the love between the two brothers, not about the two brothers. So we're talking about the love only. So it is singular. So it will take a singular verb. So answer will be is. Now the next one. There dash many mangoes ripe enough to be plucked in that area. Now there, only just seeing a there, we cannot decide that it will take a plural verb or singular verb. We have to read the things that it is, another thing that it is about mangoes, plural. So it is about mangoes, plural. That means it will take a plural verb. There are many mangoes ripe enough to be plucked in that area. Now coming to the next one. Neither Ananya nor her brothers dash going out to play today. So options is are. Now likewise in either or, we have to put the verb according to the near subject. Near subject is her sister. So it is singular, that's why I have written singular verb. Now coming to this one, this is also like that only, neither nor. In neither nor case also, you have to put the verb according to the near subject only. Near subject. Near to the blank. So this subject, her brothers, is plural and it is near to the blank. So we have to put the verb according to her brothers only. So plural subject takes plural verb. This is called subject verb agreement. So R will come.